LYRA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. With the Lyra Therapeutics, I do see a decent 12-cent level, 17% up, which is nice. Even if I come here with Lyra, you will see that I don't have any receipts, which is not so nice. But I'm just being honest, you know, there's nothing in the Discord about Lyra, but it's just still a bearish range for me, like bearish market. If I look at it from like a daily chart, this is what's it actually mitigated. So when people are asking me, well, Mr. Sicko, when are you going to be bullish on this penny stock? Juicy, you know? I'll have to say maybe if potential breaks above 17 cents makes sense, but now it's not really. Like, this is just a bearish market, and if there's no double break, I'm not looking to sell. That's all I have to say. So let me know what is your 2 cents, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month on our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. That's all I have to say, and leave your comments into the comment section if you have any questions. Feel free.